welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Varsha Diwakar and please subscribe my channel. So in last video we talk about what is programming. I hope you guys see it. If not, video link is in description box, check it after this video. So in today's video we discuss about introduction to C language. So these topics we cover in today's video, like what is C language, history of C language, characteristic of C language, why C language good for beginners, basic command used in C language. So first we start with what is C language. C is a general purpose procedural computer programming language supported structured programming and recursion. As we all know, C programming language is one of the most widely used programming language all over the world and has huge importance in computer science. But not only in computer science, C has gained much importance in every field. History of C language. C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at Bell Laboratories. Dennis Ritchie is known as the founder of C language. It was developed to overcome the previous problems languages such as B, BC, PLC. C language डेनिस रिची द्वारा डेवलप की गई थी in 1972 at Bell Laboratories. Next, talk about characteristics of C language. C has many characteristics, like C is middle level language, which means it combines the features of high level language with the functionality of an assembly language. C is a structured programming language. It means as a programmer you are required to divide a problem into different functions. आप C को कितने भी डिफरेंट फंक्शंस में डिवाइड कर सकते हो एज अ प्रोग्रामर. C पोर्टेबल. इट मीन्स ए C प्रोग्राम रन इन डिफरेंट एनवायरनमेंट. ये C ऐसी लैंग्वेज है जो कि डिफरेंट एनवायरनमेंट में रन कर सकती है इजीली. C इज़ पॉपुलर नॉट just because it can be used as a stand-alone programming language, but also it can be used as an interface to other more visual languages. C is super fast. The compilation and execution of programs is much faster on C than most other languages. C is a modular, which means C programs can be divided into small modules which are much easier to understand. C is easily available. C software is easy to access and can be easily installed on your computer. C is easy to debug. The C compiler detects the syntax error quickly and easily and displays the error along with the line number of code and the error message. Why C good for beginners? When it comes to programming language for beginners, C is an excellent choice. Not only will it educate you the programming fundamentals, this language is also powerful and widely used in industry today. Basic command used in C language. These are the basic commands that we use in C language. इसके ऊपर मैंने एक प्रॉपर वीडियो बना रखी है, how to run a hello world program in C language. You can check also. This link is in description. First is #include stdio.h. This is a preprocessor command that includes standard input-output header files from C library before compiling a C program. Second one is #include conio.h. This is also a preprocessor command and it stands for console input-output. Int main. This is the main function from where execution start of any C program. Curly braces. This indicates the beginning of the main function. Printf. Printf command prints the output on the screen. Get ch. This command waits for any character input from keyboard. Return 0. This command terminates the C program and curly braces off. This indicates the end of main function. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.